Hello, this is Austin. This is my last genetics mini exam video on gel electrophoresis. So a little background, gel electrophoresis is just a fingerprint method. It separates DNA based off their size. You can compare multiple fragments at once, and this is really good when you have a piece of evidence and you want to compare multiple people and see kind of how they line up. In this picture, actually, I took freshman year when we did gel electrophoresis in my biology class. So the story I'm going with is that Austin came home after studying and he saw that someone had taken a massive bite of his cheesecake. Nobody admitted to it, so he used gel electrophoresis to determine who ate his slice. So we're going to examine DNA at two different loci. So first, we can see here these green squares represent how far the DNA has traveled in as well. So we can see that Austin doesn't have either of them lined up. He's also the victim, therefore he can't really be the culprit of eating his slice. So therefore he is not a suspect. If we look at his dad has one of the two, therefore he's still not a suspect because you have to have both. And something also to mention out is that these two are connected here, that he got this DNA fragment from his dad. And then if we look at his brother here, who's also related to his dad, they have this one here in common. But like I said, so his dad cannot be a culprit. If we go on to his stepmom has neither of her DNA fragments line up with the evidence, therefore she cannot be a potential suspect. If we go to his brother, now his brother has both of them lined up, which makes him a potential suspect. This is also the same case for the dog, that their DNA fragments have lined up with the evidence. Therefore, they are a potential suspect, not necessarily the culprit, but a potential suspect. Now, if we look at the second loci, we have the DNA, the evidence at two different points. So we're going to kind of go through the same thing again. Austin, again, neither have his lined up and is a victim, therefore he is not a suspect. His dad also has just one of them lined up like last time, which makes him a potential, well, he can't be a suspect because he needs both of them to line up. If we look at his stepmom, both of hers line up here. That makes her a potential suspect. Her brother, yet again, both of the evidence pieces line up, again making him a potential suspect. And then the dog, neither DNA fragments lined up here with the evidence, which makes him not a suspect. So if we look at both of the suspects at the two different loci, you need the same suspect in each to consider them the culprit. And here, obviously, the brother was the culprit. Therefore, he ate the cheesecake slice. And here are my references.